I have shot balloons a lot of times all my life. How close is this to that?
Not at all.
Did I hit? It's okay, guys. I still have 2 points. मेरे कोच ने मुझे बहुत अच्छे से सिखाया है. शायद आप लोग
आगे बढ़ने से पहले अगर आप भी मेरी तरह इस चैनल पर नए हैं तो वेलकम टू चैंपियन स्टफ. इन दिस शो वी प्ले स्पोर्ट्स एंड फाइंड ऑल द रीजंस टू लव इट. चैंपियन स्टफ के पिछले एपिसोड में नीरज ने हमें बताया एक पिस्टल से शूट कैसे करते हैं, और उसी एपिसोड में मैंने उन्हें बताया एक पिस्टल से शूट कैसे नहीं करते हैं. अगर आपने वो एपिसोड नहीं देखा तो प्लीज क्लिक ऑन द स्क्रीन एंड वॉच पिस्टल शूटिंग 101. नीरज से शूटिंग सीखने के बाद वी आर फाइनली मैच रेडी. नहीं, आज मेरा बर्थडे नहीं है. नहीं, आज नीरज का बर्थडे भी नहीं है. और ये कैप मैंने इसलिए पहना है क्योंकि कभी कभी मैं फालतू में बहुत ज़्यादा ऑप्टिमिस्टिक हो जाता हूँ. तो पिछले एपिसोड में शूटिंग सीखने के बाद मैंने नीरज को एक चैलेंज दे दिया था. एंड यू गेस्ड इट राइट, आई लॉस्ट इट. नॉट द चैलेंज, I lost my mind when I challenged a national level shooter after learning shooting from him. But never mind, here we are.
So we have the blinder,
Uh-huh.
and then we have an iris which just helps you focus a little bit more.
अच्छा, दिस इज अर्जुन्स आई. सिर्फ इसमें इतनी ही जगह है कि आपको बर्ड की आंख दिखे. बर्ड दिख ही नहीं सकता है इसमें. को ऐसा लग रहा है आप अभी थोड़ी देर बाद आयरन मैन का सूट दिखा दो.
Not too far.
So we'll try to warm up a little bit.
Yeah. A few shots.
Yes. And okay, then I'll also need a blinder.
Yes. I've made one for you.
Perfect. मेरा पूरा attire match हो रहा है guys.
Ready for shooting.
Yes. So this is basically to block my eyesight and so that I can focus more on my dominant eye. Right eye मेरा dominant है, वो मुझे आज पता चला है. And we'll use it to take some shots. And before we are match ready, we're warming up.
You're on paper but still a zero now. So आप पहले ना ऐसे sideways हो जाओ.
हाँ, ठीक है. चलो.
थोड़ा pass closer to the red line because you're too far.
हाँ.
Go थोड़ा आगे. नहीं.
आगे.
हाँ, बस. Your feet should be shoulder width apart. You would hold the pistol while it is rested. Open this up, load the pellet. ये उधर ही है. Now you come back to your zero position.
Should it be aligned to this or should it be आगे?
ये resting position doesn't matter.
Yeah, but shooting position.
Shooting, yeah. जो आपका target है, like your standing position should more or less be around that area. थोड़ा आगे पीछे चलता है. And then you would lift.
Do you know your score?
Yeah. It's a 10.2.
Whoa. It was a 10-pointer. Is the center 11?
No.
It's 10,
the
right?
maximum you can shoot, which is the same diameter of the pellet, is a 10.9. So
अच्छा.
integer scoring होती है, but the जो आपको वो dotted line दिख रहा है 10 के अंदर,
हाँ.
that's called the inner 10.
हाँ.
So anything 10.4 and above is an inner 10.
हाँ.
So they keep a score of that, and then it's a tiebreaker of sorts.
अच्छा.
So if you and I both have 580 points, whoever has more inner 10s would then get the advantage.
Okay.
आपने एक 10 इनर 10 चलाया है, मंगाओ टारगेट.
क्या बोल रहे हो आप ऐसे सब? What the?
Done. Shooting solved.
Okay, guys, that's it for today's episode.
Done for the day. Yeah, well done.
Oh my God. वापस करने का मत बोलना, ठीक है?
Earned it.
And these are back to back. So there's पहले वाला I think 7 था और दूसरा वाला inner 10 था.
Yeah.
Okay, so इस circle के अंदर जो भी होगा वो inner 10 होगा.
Yes.
Okay.
If it touches it, then
Okay.
that is 10.4, and then as it keeps getting in the center,
Got
it'll be like a 10.8, 10.9 of sorts.
Okay. So we are match ready.
Yep.
And we will, and because you are a champion and I'm not yet, we will have some rules. This will be a match with a twist. So we have two टारगेट्स हियर और प्रिंटर के पास पेपर खत्म हो गया था तो एक हमने गलती से छोटा प्रिंट कर दिया है एंड नीरज इज गोइंग टू आप किसी में भी शूट कर सकते हो ठीक है यू कैन चूज एंड यू विल चूज okay so we have different targets because we have different skills. It's exactly the same,
It
just
is
minimized.
in terms of the scoring, yes, but obviously the sizes are different. Rifle has a very smaller target, and
Of course.
yeah.
Got
So
it.
we'll try and have some sort of a handicap for me. So
Yes.
at least some equalization happens.
Yes,
for
yes,
our
yes.
match.
So 10 shots and 12 minutes, 12 and a half minutes to keep to hit all the shots.
Yeah.
And do we have a timer here?
I do.
So we'll start the timer and we are ready now. All the best.
Good luck.
चार हो गए हैं और दो तो लगे ही नहीं हैं पर मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि जो लास्ट वाला है वो किसी अच्छी जगह पे लगा है. अभी ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि लगा ही ना हो और मुझे पता ना चला हो. So your scores right now halfway through 38 points
Out of 50.
out of 50. Okay. And मेरे तो दो ही लगे हैं. I missed it thrice and that has costed me. So I should aim to at least hit all of them in the circle now. Okay. Cool. Two shots to go. क्या लगता है कितने points होंगे? 2 5s. Okay. ये 0 हो गया है तो अभी 2 5s करने के लिए इस वाले में मुझे 10 करना पड़ेगा. Okay, so out of the last 5, I hit all of them,
Yeah.
but missed a point on one.
Yeah.
और बाकी के 4 अंदर लगे हैं. So 3
And then
3
2 5s.
and 5 5. Okay,
then
all
4 4.
अच्छा. So 10, 8, 18 and 6 is
24.
24. Okay, that looks like my engineering score. And what have you done? I could not beat your
Rifle-
first 5 wale scores.
78-ish.
78,
Yeah.
which is 3 times, more than 3 times of what I scored. I scored 24 out of 100, which is not passing marks. वापस एग्जाम देना पड़ेगा पर अभी तो
Although 78 is also not a very good score if we were to look at it in pistol terms, but in rifle terms it's all right.
So with a 78 ka score, would you get into what score would take you to the nationals ka team?
Nowhere.
Nowhere.
78 is nothing. If again, like I said, this is rifle scoring, so it isn't. It's like apples versus oranges.
Do you want to try 10 shots on a pistol before we end?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, let's see how much you score on pistols.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
No pressure.
No pressure at all. I'll not be watching. मैं सर पे थोड़ी खड़ा रहूँगा. 10.5. Wow. Four tens, two
the rest
eights,
of the
and rest nines, and so
Amounts
then
to 92.
so 92 out of 100.
This doesn't get you into the nationals also yet. This isn't my best either, but yeah, I think
What's your best?
that'd be 579.
would be
579 would be about
Dividing it by
39
six.
tens and the remaining 21 nines
okay.
for the
Got
60 shots.
it. And what would get you into nationals?
565
Okay.
gets you into the India team trials, and then 540 gets you into the nationals. Currently, the top two in India would be about 585 and 584 average.
Okay. 585 and 584, and your best is 574.
579.
579. So we're 6 points away from.
Yeah, but
Team India.
those are averages. Mine is just the personal best. So I haven't even gotten that to be my average yet. So, but
Okay.
yeah, that's the aim.
We have something for you. It's a trophy that says you're a champion.
Thank you so much.
And
Very reassuring.
yes.
And I'm sorry, itna time lag gaya, but I had a
Oh,
blast.
I had a lot of fun. I genuinely was waiting for this pod.
Yeah, I hope that 110 creates that
है ना?
spark for you.
10
to keep
और
coming
8 भी
back.
है ना, वो भूलने का थोड़ी है उसको.
But
9
I'm
है.
saying वो वाला जो एक 10 है creates that spark for you to
Okay,
keep coming back.
I hit a 10. Thank you so much, coach. Thank you for helping me aim right, and this will be very useful when I talk to my friends next. And thank you so much for
My pleasure.
spending time with us and showing us the mastery of hitting those 10s and 9s. I hope this is fun for you as well. Tell me what sport do you want us to try next. Till then, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in another episode of Champion Stuff.
Thank you.
Thank you. Before we end, we'll do this one last thing.
Yeah.
I have 5 shots
Yeah.
and I'll try to hit your lowest score.
Yeah. 8.
Okay. 8 is your lowest score, and let's see if I can hit that in 5 shots. If not, lunch is on me. Okay. तो ऑप्टिमिस्टिक में बहुत हूँ, लेकिन I have not hit a black circle thrice today, but can I hit an 8 in next 5 shots? Let's find out. नहीं hit हुआ. Last shot.
कहाँ लग रहा है? मतलब where are you in the aiming area? Where
This
are
one
you?
no, पर मेरे ज़्यादातर शॉट सुपर.
अरे लग गया. अच्छा लग गया.
I am a genius जिसको पता नहीं है कि मैं genius हूँ, guys. Okay. Is this
That's
a
a
10?
nine. This is
It's
a
a
nine.
9. Okay. अच्छा, oh, अंदर would have been a 10,
Yeah.
but I have hit a 9. And lunch is still on me.